Hey Mac users! Want to run Windows on your Mac without paying full price? I've got an exclusive Parallels desktop coupon that will save you big. Stick with me till the end. We all know that Parallels Desktop is one of the best Mac virtualization tools, but it's also expensive. Currently, the Easter sale is running, and you can get up to 25% off on all plans. But you can save more using our deals or coupon codes. Just type Coupon God on Google and click on this website, mycoupongod.com. Type Parallels Desktop in the search bar without pressing the Enter button. Here are all the latest offers for Parallels Desktop. Choose any deal and get up to 50% off. These discounts won't last forever. So, if you're serious about saving money, click the link in the description now before it's too late. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube and Telegram channel for more exclusive deals.